What's up, it's Kinsey and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a really big Greece haul. If you guys don't know, I'm going to Greece in just a few weeks. I'm going with EF and Morgan Yates, which I am so excited for. Obviously, I'm going to be vlogging it and posting so much to my Instagram. I'm also going to be buying a lot more stuff. I don't think I'll do another Greece haul after this, but I will be posting on my Instagram story, so go follow me on there. If you guys are new here and you guys don't want to miss out on future videos, be sure to subscribe. Whew, I don't know why I cannot breathe. Alright, we're just going to get into this haul. I have a discount code. I will have that linked down below in case you guys want to pick anything up. I'm also going to have every single item linked down below. I think I have like one or two more things coming. Again, that'll be my Instagram story. Or you guys will see it on my Instagram post, my vlogs, everything from this Greece trip. I am so excited. We leave August 17th. I'm gonna shut up now so you guys can, yeah. The first thing I got is this dress that I am wearing right now. I just filmed the try-on portion and was like, this is cute. I don't want to change. So I love this. It's just a really nice baby doll top. I love it with gold and silver. Honestly, my plan with all these outfits is just deck it out in jewelry. You know, I think I wanted a bag from Princess Polly. I have to get that. Wow, I got so sidetracked. But I love the look of like hoops and a ton of layering with necklaces and bracelets and especially rings. So you guys can see I've been wearing these hoops a lot lately, but I'm going to be getting a lot more jewelry as well. That is something that I am like really into right now. But anyways, I love this dress. It's just very airy. It's so comfortable. It's super easy to wear, and baby doll dresses are flattering on like everyone. I love these dresses. We're gonna go backwards a little bit and go to the swimsuits very quickly. This yellow swimsuit that I have, I really like. It's high-waisted. I like high-waisted bottoms. They sometimes can look weird, but they're also really comfortable. The quality of this swimsuit is really soft. I got the bottoms in a size 8. And then the top is in a size 8. I have like big boobs for sure. The issue with it is that a lot of the time if I go up in a size, it's too big like around my, it wouldn't be bust because that would be your boobs, right? What would it be? It's so stupid. Chest? It's just gonna be too big, but it would cover like more cleavage. Does that make any sense? I don't know. I really like this though, this yellow. Yellow is like one of my favorite colors, especially with my hair color. I just like it. I think it's a fun pop. I'm a huge fan. Okay, the next thing I got, this swimsuit is definitely way smaller than I was kind of expecting. This is one of those swimsuits that you would tan in or so, I think. Why is my voice sounding so weird? Anyways, I got the bottoms in a small. Again, I have this issue where I always size up in things and then they're too big. So I got these in a small. They fit me. They're just like already very small, as you guys can see. These are perfect for tanning, really. I mean, they're cute and like it's definitely doable. Yeah, and then I also got the top in, I'm assuming a size small because it's a set, but this one, you can't even tell like what is this, but it just wraps up and it ties in the front, which is super cute. My favorite one is this like blush colored high-waisted bandeau top set, but it's super cute. Again, I got these in a size 8. This is Australian sizes, by the way, so size 8 will be like a US size 4, I think. I am a size 4, but sometimes I'll get a size 6 if I want things to be oversized, which is a lot of the time, but I'm trying not to because like I said, I keep buying my clothes and they're way too big. Anyways, now these really pretty blush colored high-waisted bottoms. I love it when it comes up high on your like hips. It's super flattering. It makes your legs look longer. It makes you look slimmer. Altogether, it's just a good fit. And then I got the top, also a size 8, but this comes in a set. And this is just a bandeau top. Normally, I wouldn't be the biggest fan of bandeau tops because I have bigger boobs, but this one, I just tried it on, stays on really well, and I just think it's so cute. I'm also going to Big Bear this weekend, and I'm definitely going to wear this in the hot tub. It's adorable. I love it. Moving on to dresses, I got quite a few. As you guys saw this one, and then I also have this white one. This will be super pretty with a tan. You guys aren't really going to be able to tell what it looks like when I hold it up because you have to kind of like, you know, tie it. These are very kind of like Greece dresses, but it just wraps up and there's buttons down the middle. This is kind of my, I mean, it's cute. It's very cute, don't get me wrong, but it's not like my favorite of all of them, but I still like it a lot. Does that make sense? I got this green kind of wrap dress that has a floral print on it. I love wrap dresses. Again, I have an issue. I don't have this issue if you have wrap dresses with who have like a larger chest because it's so difficult to make it look like I'm not trying to like be out of my shirt basically. But this one is not bad at all, so I really like that. It has really pretty like flattering sleeves for your arms, and then it's just like this cute simple dress, which I love. Okay, this one, I love everything. I picked it out. I don't know why I keep saying which I love, but I got this dress, which I thought was amazing. It is just a blue polka dot dress. I love how it's long sleeve. I love how it cuts kind of like a box cut on your chest. It's really flattering. And I love long sleeves. Like, I don't know what it is about long sleeves. I just love long sleeves. I think it's super pretty, really girly, and it's going to be amazing with a ton of jewelry. I also picked up this dress. So this dress is longer. This is also one of those dresses that you can kind of transition throughout the season. So if I wanted to like layer this on top of like a black turtleneck in the fall with some black booties, I could definitely do that, and I think it's really cute. But for the summer, I would just wear it like this with, again, a ton of jewelry. I got this in a size 10, which I definitely should have gotten a size 8. This is just an example of me ruining my life, but I love this with some layered jewelry. Also, like maybe an oversized denim jacket. Like, I feel like this is a really nice, like casual, like shopping day outfit. The next thing I have is this really pretty white dress. I just thought that this is perfect for Greece. Hopefully, I will be tan. The chances of that are still extremely unlikely, but a girl can dream, you know? So I have, oh no. I got makeup on it in the try-on. That is not cute. That is not a good look. Well, I'll be cleaning that off, but this is cool. It's kind of frilly. It's, I guess, how would you even describe this? Like a white layer dress. I don't know. I got this in a size 10. Definitely could have got a size 8, but I actually like how this fits. That's the thing with Princess Polly, is sometimes they get a size 10, which is a US size 6, and it fits really well, and then sometimes they get a size 8, which is a US size 4, and that fits really well. So I kind of just decide what kind of fit I want with it and then go from there and hope for the best. Sometimes I have gotten things where I like should have gotten a different size, but for the most part, it kind of works out. Next thing I got is this denim jacket. I think this is the perfect denim jacket. This will be a staple in my wardrobe anyways. Yes, I do have probably 7 denim jackets. I'm not exaggerating, but you can never have enough and also the perfect one. I go through phases where I really want like a dark denim jacket, and then I really want a light one, and then I want one that's tighter, and then one that's oversized, and it's just this whole thing. So I got another one, but this is kind of perfect for like a summer vibe, you know? But I'll wear it forever, and you can layer this. Denim jackets are timeless, and I love them. So I have this jacket. I think it's super cute. I love the fit of it. I got it in a medium large because I like my denim jackets to be kind of oversized, but you could definitely get this to like be a tighter fitting. I really like this. The quality is really amazing, and also what I like a lot about this as well is that it's not super thick. So even in the winter, I don't necessarily want a super thick denim jacket because I want to like layer this over a hoodie. So this is big enough to where I could layer this over a ton of stuff, which is awesome. Very versatile. Okay, the next thing I got another pair of denim shorts. I talk about this in every haul. I don't like denim shorts that much, but I feel like they're a staple. I don't like them on me that much. Like, I'm not obsessed with the look, and it's hard for me to find like the perfect fitting one. I feel like my body's just like oddly shaped or something. I don't really know what it is, but it's just hard to find them that fits well and that are also comfortable. That's the thing. They're just never comfortable. I got these. I do like these a lot. I think that they're only gonna get more comfortable as I wear them too, but they're just normal denim shorts, and then in the back they have the rips by the butt, which I really like. Again, if I say which I really like one more time, I don't care if you unsubscribe. I don't blame you. I got these in a size medium, so I like these. The fabric is like a little bit stiff, but it's not denim rough, if that makes sense. Like, it's still kind of soft, but it is stiff, but it doesn't feel like a ton of denim. You know how denim shorts are just very uncomfortable, so you want them to be softer, basically. Okay, the next thing that I got, you might think is like a little bit odd for Greece. I definitely want to wear this with other things, but I feel like it's kind of a statement outfit, so I don't know. But I thought about this on like just, you know, a day maybe if we were like in the city, or I don't really know. I just really liked it and I thought it was cute. So it is like a pantsuit set. So I have these light pink shorts, and then I have this light pink blazer, which I think is super cute. And again, I imagine this with, can you guess it? A bunch of jewelry. I think it's super cute and super fun. And it's just like, I don't know, it's something that I didn't really have, and I love that. Honestly, oh, I have 2 more things. What am I doing? Okay, then I got 2 pairs of shoes. I got these kind of platform sandals, I guess, platform sandals. These are super cute, and white is just gonna make me look tan, which is hopefully the goal. It's gonna match with a lot of my outfits, I think. I really love this. I said it again, I'm over myself. And then I got these kind of like knockoff Birkenstocks, but they are a little bit more detailed. I used to have Birkenstocks. I gave them to Yana like 2 years ago and she wears them all the time, and I was obsessed with mine. Then I got over them. Now I'm kind of back on the wave. So I picked up these and I thought that these would be cool just for an everyday thing. Also for by the water. I don't know. I like the little Western touch. As we know, I'm super into Western things. I should bring my cowboy boots to Greece. Morgan is watching this and is like, dear God, please no. Anyways, yeah, I really like these shoes. I think they're super fun and just easy to throw on. Okay, so that is it for my Greece haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys want to stay in touch or keep up with the adventures in Greece, be sure to subscribe to this channel and follow my Instagram and my Twitter. I'll be updating, posting vlogs, taking a ton of pictures, Instagram storying, everything. You know, I'm doing it all. I'm super excited. Yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, this is all from Princess Polly, so thank you to Princess Polly, but I will have my discount link down below. It's my favorite store to shop at, genuinely, and this is probably my favorite trip. If you guys want me to do a back to school haul with Princess Polly or something, let me know. I would definitely be down to do that. Anyways, I love you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That's it. I'm gonna shut up. I'll see you guys soon.